Staying successful during the hot days of summer at your local farmers market requires some strategic planning and some thoughtful execution. Here are some ways to help you stay successful during the hot days at your local market. I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures. We're your #1 source for vendor empowerment and knowledge. Our first part is for the vendors. We have 5 tips that are going to help you during the heat of the summer. The first one is staying hydrated. You want to make sure that you have plenty of water, Gatorade, Pedialyte for you and your staff. Staying well hydrated is crucial when it's hot out, not only for your energy, but for your health. 2, dress appropriately. You want to wear baggy clothes that's lightweight, breathable, have a wide brim hat to help keep the sun off you. And it's also important, your footwear. You want to wear comfortable shoes that you don't tire or fatigue out as easily in. All that's going to help you. 3, sunscreen. You want to apply it throughout the market to help keep the sun from burning you. When you get sunburned, you dehydrate and it wears you down out at the market. 4, take breaks. Take breaks. If you have crews, you guys can alternate shifts when you're up there while the other one goes and cools down and gets in the shade. If you're by yourself, just take regularly scheduled breaks throughout the market so that you can cool down and that you're full of energy and vibrant when you greet customers at the market. 5, bring a fan or a fan and a misting system to help keep you cool while you're in the booth. There's a lot of great products out there. You definitely want to steer towards one that's battery operated. Charge those batteries the day before the market. Don't rely on electrical products because a lot of markets don't have a means for you to plug in, and a lot of markets don't allow generators. So go after the battery powered one, whether it's something from Lowe's, Craftsman, Home Depot. All of them have great systems for fans and misting systems to help keep you cool at the market. Now for your booth, we have 5 tips to help you with your booth during the hot days of summer. 1, provide shade. You want to provide some sort of shading, umbrella, netting that you can put up in your booth to help keep sunlight off of you and your products and create a little bit of shade where you're selling at. 2, keeping your products cool. You want to use coolers or foam insulated buckets with ice packs to help keep your products cool and looking fresh. As they sell off your booth tables, you can replenish them by taking them out of the cooler, putting them up there, but coolers with ice and ice packs in them help keep your products cool and longer at the market when it's hot. 3, display freshness. If you're a produce or a microgreens vendor, mist and spray your goods throughout the market by spraying and misting them. It helps keep your products cooler, and it helps keep them looking more fresh and crisp so that they can sell easier. 4, rotate your stock. When it's hot out, your products wilt, they get hotter faster. So rotating your stock, keeping your freshest items up front. You can cool off some of your stuff that's been up there for a little while, but rotate your stock throughout the day at the market. And 5, keep it clean. You want to regularly clean up your booth throughout the market. You want to keep it organized. That keeps it professional and looking neat even in the heat of the day, and that keeps customers visually attracted to your products and to your booth and coming in. Now stuff for the customers you can do. We have 5 tips for that. The first one is offer them something cold and refreshing. If you have water, bring a cooler and keep some cold water that you may be able to offer them. Or a great tip is go and get the popsicle sticks, freeze them, and at the market put them in a cooler and just offer a customer a popsicle stick. That helps build that customer relation, and it gives them something cool and refreshing, and they won't forget you for that. 2, provide samples. If you're in an area where you can provide samples, if you're a produce and fruit vendor, get some sliced oranges, sliced strawberries, cold blueberries, something cold like that. Keep them chilled in a cooler, and when customers come up to your booth, offer them one of those. Not only is it a great way to sample your products, but it's cold and refreshing, and it really helps that customer experience at your booth. 3, create a relaxing atmosphere in your booth. If you're in an area where you have a little bit of room, set a chair or 2 so that when customers come into your booth, they can sit down and talk with you and or look at your products throughout your booth. 4, promote summer products, whether that's something refreshing, something cool, a salad, anything that really is enjoyable during the summer, promote those products to your customers when they come into your booth. And 5, engage with the customers. It's really important when it's hot during the summer that you engage with customers. Customers are more likely to purchase from vendors that they're able to engage with, create a friendly atmosphere, and that you create a bond with. So engage the customers that come into your booth or buy your booth, and that'll help increase your sales at the market. Now we're going to talk about marketing and promotion for vendors during the hot days of summer. And we have 5 tips for you for your marketing and promotions. 1 is summer specials, whether that's discounts on products or bundling deals on items that are popular during the summer. 2 is social media. Use social media to highlight your products, any special deals you have going on, summer products, but use social media to help promote your items, promote where you're going to be at, and promote your brand. 3, a loyalty program. Instill some sort of loyalty program, whether that's punch cards, a coupon, buy one, get one free, whatever type of system you come up with, definitely promote that. That helps build that customer loyalty, and it gets them coming in, and it'll increase your sales when it's hot. 4, collaborate with other vendors. When you collaborate with other vendors, you can cross-promote products. You can create a bundle basket with both of y'all's products. You can do if you bought from them, you get 5% off with me. You bought with me, they can get 5% off with them. But you want to collaborate with other vendors. That's going to help increase your sales when it's hot out. And 5, stay positive. You want to eagerly greet customers, interact with customers, but your attitude and your demeanor can greatly influence how customers interact with you, and it can greatly influence how your sales are at your booth. So stay positive and upbeat even when it's hot out, and that'll greatly increase your success at your market. By incorporating these tips, you as a vendor can not only survive the hot days of summer, but you'll thrive at your local market when it's hot out. I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures, and we can't wait to see you guys at the market.